maneuvers and capabilities was really impressive, and you can hear the sound the A-10 makes when firing. It's a 7-barrel Gatling gun capable of firing. This is the A-10